Hello. Hello, hello, hello. Uh... Yes! Okay, surely that's good. I don't know. Today, if you didn't read the thumbnail somehow, we are modeling a rocket launcher. This is gonna be fun. It's gotta be a bazooka. It's technically a bazooka. Bazooka. I kind of want it to be like a sci-fi. Don't ask why I'm doing this. Not that sci-fi. Here you go. This one will... no. Good enough. Okay. That one's good enough. Let's see if we can get Jeff online. I'm gonna literally repeat the same thing. All right. We should be good. Okay, let me think here. How do I start this up? My goodness. Okay, so first thing I need to do... No. I'm just really, I want to know if I should make it like a circle or not. Because circles can't exist in Minecraft, but... Anyway. This is supposed to be our, man, I cannot, I have the hiccups. Let's go into edit. We want this mode. Rocket launcher. And go like this. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. I can fix it later. Okay. Good enough. Why does it extrude bigger? I don't want it to do that. It gets bigger. Fine. Two can play this game. Okay, good. Okay. Perfection. I love doing this. This is fun. Okay. Then we go extrude this up, right? So extrude this out, and that doesn't matter. Oh wait, this is a rocket launcher. They have exposed. That's right. Okay, that's bad. Wait, I think I can grab it like so. I probably should not have done that entirely. I kind of regret doing that. Whatever. Okay. That should be good. I forgot, their rocket launchers have an exposed... Yeah, hold on. Wow, we're starting over again. That didn't take long. Well, extrude region. Just so you know, it does not matter because I'm going to be not using... It doesn't matter what it looks like because I'm going to be using a completely separate texture. Oh, I still need to... Okay, never mind. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. No, 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 not that. It's like a... No, it's like an Still, once again, selecting lines. So, extrude this out. There we go, that's a trigger. And his hand's going to be wrapped around it, so you don't really need to know when he fires. It doesn't need to be... In other words, it doesn't need to be... It doesn't need to move. I don't need to... Here we go. Rocket launcher time. Yeah, we'll scale that out later, but it definitely needs to be scaled out like a lot. This isn't some ordinary rifle. Oh my goodness, it needs to be scaled out a lot. Oh, we'll fix that. We'll fix that. Don't worry, we'll fix it. Well, we have a slight problem here. We have to, there we go. And separate by selection. No, no, no. No, no, no. That looks like a square, right? I think it's supposed to be 4. I think that makes it a square. That's not a square, surely. That's definitely a rectangle. There we go. That's better. I'll have to fix that problem. This can be scaled a little bit. I'll have to add a plane there. Let's see here. Because this no longer exists either. I was just going to stretch that out. Ideas. Look at that. I am big brain. Alright. I take... Oops, I want that to be a bigger, just so you know. That didn't work at all. We have a slight issue. Can I do this? Then go... where's the It would be... Wait, what? Where'd it go? No. Come on, go on the other one. Now we go grab it. There we go. No, no. There we go. Shouldn't be any more Z fighting. Alright. We are nowhere near done, though. First of all, we need to select all of these. Oops. It might need to be lines. Is it the lines? I did not mean to do that. I don't think it did anything. Once again, my plot failed completely. Ha! Because I can shrink it, but I don't think I need to. I think I'm all good. Let's see here. I need to grab... I do, however, need to go... No, I didn't mean to grab that one. Just this one. Nope. I need it to barely go in. I rotate it. Because that's just going to make it do that. There we go. This is still joined, right? No, wait, is this joined? No. I'll join them all later. I need to shade this smooth. I think that makes it so, no, not that. Let me see here. Let me go like this. No, not that. Subdivide it. Well, first of all, I need to enter faces, so we'll just do that right now. Okay, never mind. Nope, nope, nope. Okay, let's just do this. For right now. Alright, add face. Oh, you gotta be kidding me! Okay. Dadgummit. Okay, I need to remember every single position. We'll do 0.15. So 0.15 is the thickness. And then how much do I scale it on the Z? Scale by 0.75. There we go. So that was 0.15. And then scale by 0.75. There we go. There we go. Yes, 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 yes. Ha ha ha! Point 1.5. Point 0.75. Now we get to do the fun part. Yes. All right.
Boy!
Had a guest arrive. Ugh, people. Let's see here. That, and then we scale this up, right? That looks normal. I actually had a rocket launcher a long time ago. Let's see here. Which side is he holding it from? He always holds something... This side. And boom. See, put an extrusion here, and we put an extrusion here. Right. Separate by selection. That will be useful later. Oops, hold on, hold on. There we go. Now we're good. Alright. Back to this, because this still needs a lot of attention. Let's see here. What if I added a face? 0.3. Actually, I want it at 0.2. Yeah, that looks good. 0.2. Boom, boom. No. Okay. I don't know. I don't like that handle necessarily, but it has to exist. Oh, I know what's missing. Hold up. There we go. Now. There we go. Looks a little better. What do I do about this backside here? Let's see. We need to do a lot of additions to the top. So, we have to select like literally all of these. We're gonna it's getting there. Not really. I still have so much to do. No. I meant to do separate, not. I'm sorry, subdivide. Let me see if I can completely fit it. I want lock. Well, then I'm gonna fit it. One, two, three. This is confusingly hard. That looks right. Does that look like a K? It looks like a K. I think it looks like a K. More like an X. Alright. There we go. Boom. Nope, I don't want to separate. Separate by selection. Okay, what do I need to do to the back? What if I did a, I got an idea. Alright, we need to go into this mode here. Whoa. We're good, we're still good. Okay. No. I'm gonna do this instead. No. I'm gonna add a plane. Doot. Pow. Oh no, I pressed W. Not E. So this is like a switch, or a hatch. Now hit the loop right here, right here. Oh, I forgot to make a third. Loop right here. Turn this off. Oh, I'm in the wrong mode. That's why it was getting a little lag. This and whew, we're looking better. Looking better. Now we just need to do some like random extrusions around the side of it. Kind of make it look cooler. Let's see here. We're gonna actually extrude this. We're gonna extrude all of the areas leading up to here. But how much? How much should we extrude it by? 0.65. That's what we're gonna do it. Okay. Boom, 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 boom. And 0.65. Looking fancy. We're looking better. Looking better. Remember, I'm gonna shade like this smooth, so it's gonna look. It looks weird, but it. And here, how can I put it? See, it's see how it's like not as sharp. Yeah, that's why I'm doing that. Except right now, I'm gonna shade it rough or flat, more or less. All right, all right. It definitely needs more detail. Maybe if you had this part extruded inwards. No. Extruding stuff inwards is always a pain in the butt. Because then you have to do blah. No. No extruding inwards. And extrude the underside a bit here. Let's add a loop cut here, across here, and across here. We'll do a little bit of. What the heck? Wait, what? Oh. Fancier. Alright. Can't really do any extrusions up here necessarily. Actually, check that. Do an extrusion around the edge. Here, let me do this instead. Yeah. we're looking much better, much better. Let me look up on like an actual bazooka. Sheesh, an actual bazooka looks kind of lame. They do expand at the end. That's what I thought. Or the back, I guess. I think it's not even long enough. I think it actually needs to be a lot longer. Like, I think it needs to be a lot longer. Wrong axis. Because it's supposed to rest on his shoulder. But this is going to extrude as well. What the? No, no. This one is going to be by 0.75. I'll make that thing larger here in a second. That and that. No, 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 not that. Now we go like this. And we go, you have to select all of these. And we go like this. That's not at all what I wanted. We got, loop cut needs to be about, yeah, we'll say here. No, 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 just you. No, okay, I'm dumb. This is gonna be ridiculous. Okay. We'll just, here. Just select these ones. This one's gonna be obnoxious because these ones like to, No, never mind. We'll just keep it like this. I think it's looking better, looking better. Alright. No, we're gonna go like this. And this. I need to add a loop cut here. And here. No, no. What? Why did it only lock in on this side? Did it not hear me? Seriously? now, loop and loop. That's weird. Loop cut right there. Loop cut right there. That's better. There we go. Wow. Anything else? I like a lot of stuff here. Some random extrusions, I guess. For dramatic effect. Oh, still in the wrong one. There we go. I think this is it. Okay, hold on. Oops. Alright. Dadgummit, I didn't mean to do that. Profanity. We are kid-friendly here. Alright. Now I need to go and add a bunch of textures. How long is this video? 36 minutes. Oh, I almost... we'll save this as... rocket launcher. And for safekeeping... rocket launcher. Oh boy. Minecraft just tweeted. That's better. Alright. Add new texture. It's gonna be army green. Okay. This one's gonna be brown. Wait, I actually did that wrong. Okay. So like this. All of this. Perfection. Alright. Let's select these ones. Huh? Okay, good, good. What? We'll fix that in a second. It's fixed over here. Screw it. It's not like that's going to be shown too much anyway. Ugh. There we go. Oh, this thing. That's right. Material 1. Then we'll select this as material 2. Actually, better idea. Let's add a black one. Like, that one can be the handle as well. The handle can be black. It's not going to be, sorry, it is going to be rough. It's not going to be very specular. 0.4 and 0.7. What the? Oh. There we go. Okay. Boom. Oh, never mind. I think we got it. This is going to be a glass. Actually, no, it's not. It can't be glass, otherwise it'll be see-through. So we're going to make it gray. Kind of looks ugly, but don't worry. I can fix more of it later. There we go. It looks pretty good, I guess. As far as rocket launchers go. Alright. I don't want this to be this color. I want it to be green. That looks better, actually. I like that better. Instead of a brown, it's just a separate color green. Yeah. Maybe a little bit even more. Yeah. We'll keep it as that color. I like it. I think it looks nice. Now we just go boom and rocket launcher complete. Booyah! Rocket launcher. Alright, if you enjoyed that video, leave a like and subscribe to this super new channel. So you can see more of stuff that'll be coming out like so. Because, yeah, I planned on doing more of this. What material is this? There we go. Now it looks good. Alright. Like and subscribe, and I hope if you guys did enjoy it, then, well, maybe that. Well, anyway. If you guys enjoyed, wow, it's like the 8th time I've said that. Leave a like, subscribe, see you guys later. Bye.